Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know what options to buy on Robinhood. First, ensure you have options trading enabled on your account, which requires approval. Next, familiarize yourself with the platform's interface for options. You'll need to understand how to navigate to the options chain for a specific stock. This initial setup is crucial before making any trading decisions. Now, let's dive into the basics. A call option gives you the right to buy shares, profiting when the stock price rises. Conversely, a put option gives you the right to sell, profiting when the stock price falls. You'll see various strike prices and expiration dates for each option contract. The premium is the price you pay for the contract. Understanding these core components is essential for making informed choices on Robinhood. Before buying, thorough research is vital. Look at a company's earnings reports, news, and overall market sentiment. Technical analysis, using charts and indicators, can help predict short-term price action. Also, pay attention to implied volatility, which indicates how much the market expects the stock price to move. This research helps you select options with the best potential. Finally, always prioritize risk management. Options trading involves significant risk, and you can lose your entire investment. Start with small positions and consider strategies like spreads to limit potential downside. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Smart trading and fresh air make a great combination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.